Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baked bean soup. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 large can of baked beans, some flavorful broth, and fresh aromatics. Next, we'll sauté the vegetables to build a rich and savory flavor foundation. Then, combine everything in a pot and simmer gently, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, we'll discuss how to blend and customize your soup for the perfect, comforting finish. To begin, you'll need 1 large can of baked beans, typically around 16 ounces. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These will form the aromatic base. Have 4 cups of your preferred broth, either vegetable or chicken, on hand. Finally, a 1/4 cup of tomato paste will add depth and richness to our soup. Start by sautéing your chopped onions and garlic in a pot over medium heat until they are softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the tomato paste and cook for just 1 minute to deepen its flavor. Next, add the baked beans and broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld. For a creamier texture, you can blend a portion of the soup using an immersion blender or carefully in a regular blender. Now, season your soup with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce to taste. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. For extra heartiness, consider adding cooked sausage or ham.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.